So with this lesson, we'll start a new section in our mini course where we'll talk about the core cloud services. So we'll start off first with compute services, and then we're going to talk about the storage services, and then we'll move on to networking services. Now, of course, we're going to start off first with compute services in this lesson. So the first thing we're going to do is make an introduction to virtual machines. So what is a virtual machine? A virtual machine, or a VM, is a software-based representation of a physical computer. It basically runs an operating system and applications just like a physical computer, but exists within a host system, which is usually a powerful server. Now, virtual machines utilize the hardware resources of this host system, but they operate in isolated environments, and this isolation allows multiple virtual machines to run concurrently on a single physical machine without interference. Now, virtual machines operate by using a hypervisor, and the hypervisor sits between the hardware and the operating system and allocates resources to the various virtual machines. And there are mainly two types of hypervisors. We've got bare metal, which runs directly on the host's hardware to control the hardware and manage guest operating systems. And examples of bare metal include VMware vSphere, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Oracle VM Server. Now, the second type is known as hosted, and this runs on a conventional operating system, which is the host operating system, just like any other software application. And examples include VMware Workstation and Oracle VirtualBox. Now, why do we use virtual machines in cloud computing? Well, first, virtual machines in the cloud environment offer a plethora of advantages that help businesses optimize their operations, reduce costs, and enhance their IT strategies. First of all, virtual machines allow businesses to tailor resources according to their specific needs without being tethered to the limitations of a physical hardware. So do you need a different operating system or a unique software stack? Well, with virtual machines, configurations can be adjusted on the fly, allowing for quick pivots and adjustments as business needs evolve, and that is known as operational flexibility. Now, traditional IT setups involve significant overheads, from the purchase of and maintenance of physical hardware to energy consumption. But with cloud-based virtual machines, company can sidestep these costs, so the pay-as-you-go model ensures you're billed only for the resources that you use. And furthermore, there is no need to worry about the lifespan of physical servers or constant hardware upgrades. Also, virtual machines in the cloud environment allow businesses to centralize their applications and data, and this central repository ensures that updates, patches, or changes are universally applied, reducing inconsistencies and ensuring everyone in the organization accesses the same version of software or data. So this centralization also streamlines IT management and reduces complexities. Also, one of the most prominent advantages of using virtual machines in the cloud is the ease of scalability. Basically, businesses can seamlessly scale up or down resources based on demand. For instance, an e-commerce platform can automatically scale resources during a flash sale, ensuring optimal performance, and then scale down afterward to save costs. Also, virtual machines play a pivotal role in disaster recovery strategies. With features like snapshotting, businesses can regularly back up their virtual machine states. So in the event of a disaster, maybe a cyber attack, software malfunction, or any other disruption, companies can swiftly revert their virtual machine to a stable state or deploy a new instance from the saved snapshot, thus ensuring minimal downtime and data loss.